welcome to our channel. Today in this quick video I will be showing you how to make a stand in Please Donate. Select a suitable location in your Minecraft world to build your stand. Consider factors such as accessibility and visibility. So let's get started. So what you have to do is, while you're on your home page, tap on the three dotted like icon present on the top right, then go to create. After that, tap on creation, then go to your place. Here on the left hand side, scroll down. Under monetization products, tap on passes. Here, create a pass, then give your pass a name. You can even upload images and give a description below. After your pass creation has been successful, go back and there you will see the pass that you had created just a few moments ago. Tap on it and then go to its sales. Enable the item for sale toggle button and then put in your bids. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have now successfully created a stand in Minecraft with a gentle reminder to donate. Thank you for your generosity and happy building.